Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Harley-Davidson NIGHTROD Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2011 Harley-Davidson NIGHTROD Special with 28,251 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with a Twin-Tech ECM, Twin-Tech wideband O2 sensors, a tab exhaust, a Corbin seat, a carbon fiber rear fender, a rear fender eliminator kit, LED integrated rear turn signals, grips, and rider foot pegs. We have installed a new tire. Powered by a 1247cc V-twin engine, the NIGHTROD puts 123 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the NIGHTROD has a 150 to 165 mile range. It has a 26.7-inch seat height and a 670-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this NIGHTROD will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility, a quieter exhaust, and passenger handholds. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed the new front tire, and the rear is at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's corrosion on the exhaust and scratches on the radiator plastics. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.